I guess. Okay, let's see. Okay, so basically we have done the installation of operating system yesterday. Okay, so let me do one thing. I'll go here and so let me share my screen. The screen is already shared, right? So the machine that we have created yesterday, right? So which machine we created yesterday? So Jan Oracle. Okay, let me start this machine. So in the last lecture we have discussed about how to install the server. So we have installed Oracle Linux 7.9 that we have installed yesterday. Achha. So if you are getting the same screen again, go to the settings, go to the storage, and once your installation is done, you can remove that ISO file. Click on OK and let's start the machine now. The machine is getting started. Okay, so machine is getting started like this. Wait for some time. Okay, so click on license accept. I want to accept the license agreement. Click on done. Now click on the finish configurations. So my suggestion to everyone is you guys definitely try installing this on your laptop. This way you will definitely get a confidence on Oracle DBA. Okay, so that is the reason. You can mention your location. If your location is not available, then you can mention Pune. It's okay. So you need to create one user with the name Learnomate. So this user we are going to use for initial login and enter the password. So it will not take easy password. So it should be the combination of numbers and all. Okay. We are not going to use this user, but just for initial login, this user is required. And now my server is ready. So as I said earlier also, when you have a server, if you want to connect to the server, you can connect to the server by using IP address or by using hostname, right? So I'll do one thing. I'll set up the IP address of this machine. I'll go here, click on the settings, go to the network, and here we have two adapters are there which we have installed yesterday, right? You remember we use the two adapter. One is host only adapter and second one is bridge adapter. Host only adapter is for to set up the IP address to the machine. So I'll click on settings and I'll set up the IP address, connect automatically. I'll assign the first adapter, click on manual. So I'll assign static IP address 192.168.56.50. Since it is a static IP address, the IP address will not get changed. 255.255.255.0 and click on apply. I'll go to the settings, connect automatically. Here you don't need to assign any IP address. This is for internet purpose. Click on apply. So if you just close this and if you try to open a terminal and if you fire, what's your host name -i, so your IP address is 192.168.56.50. This is the IP address of your server. So normally in real-time production environment, the IP and your server configuration will be taken care by your Linux team, and IP related network related stuffs will be taken care by your network team. Now what I will do, normally in real-time production environment, we don't see the GUI like this. Like your server will be available on some different location, and you will be sitting here in India. You are just going to take the control. When you are taking the control of your server, we called it as a SSH connectivity. What we called it as a SSH. So in order to take the SSH of your server, in order to take the SSH of your server, we need to use some client tools, like you can use Putty or you can use Mobexterm. Some people are using Super Putty, but Putty is quite famous, and there is a commercialized tool also available. Means for that you need to pay the license, called Mobexterm. So you consider like this is my server where my database will be installed very soon, and I'm going to take the control, we call it as SSH, of this server by using the software called Putty software, or also you can use Mobexterm. Multiple softwares are there, so you can take the SSH. So what I will do, I'll show you both the way. Putty also I'll show you. So how to download the Putty? If you want to download the Putty, you can just say download, PUTTY. Go to the official website of Putty. This is an open source software, means you can use this completely free of cost without license, and you can just click on the 64-bit operating system, and this is a very small software. It's in MB. You can just double click on it, say next, and it will be done. So in my case it's already installed. So after installation of Putty, the Putty will be looking like this. Now here it is asking what is the IP address of your machine. Let's say IP address of my machine is, I'll give the IP address of my machine is 192.168.56.50. This is the IP address that we have given earlier. I'll just maximize it, and if you want to save the session, you can just give any name like Jan and Oracle. Click on save, click on open, accept, and now as soon as you logged into the server, you can log in with the help of root user. Enter the password of root user as root. You are not able to see the password here. I have already entered. Press enter, and here I got logged in with the help of root user. So normally in the real-time production environment, whenever you are starting your career as a DBA or Linux administrator or cloud, most of the time you will see only this black screen. Okay, the black screen will be your life. Now the commands which we have run on Ubuntu, the same command you can run it over here, like ls-lrt, right? Then we use cat. All those commands you can run over here. So there is a alternative for this Putty software. We called it as a Mobexterm. So that is also there. I'll show you that part also. We generally use Mobexterm only for training point of view. The Mobexterm has some features, like it can save the password, it can open multiple terminals. Click on installer edition. So it will create a zip file. Again, you just unzip that and install like a normal software. This is a zip file, install it, and normal software. If I go here, the Mobexterm is looking like this. So if I go here, I can see the Mobexterm like this. Here, I'll open that. Okay, this is my Mobexterm. I'll click on the session. Okay, I'll click on the session. I'll click on the session. This is not a free software, this is a paid software, but for training point of view or as a student, you can use it free of cost. Click on SSH, and the same IP address that we have given to our server, 192.168.56.50, you can mention here. And the name of your machine is, what is the name of my machine? So the SSH name you can give anything, it's up to you. So I'll give like Jan Oracle. You can just give Oracle 19C because I have so many machines are there, so I should not get confused. Click on OK. Again, it is asking me enter the password of root user. I'll say root. And good thing about the Mobexterm is it is not asking the password all the time, because it has a feature like it can save the password. Whenever you are entering the password for the first time, it will open a pop-up. It will ask you to enter master password. So you can give any master password, anything. And then you got connected to your Mobexterm. Now what you can do, you can run the same command just like your putty. See here, cat, these are the same command. The good thing about the Mobextem is it has very good color combinations. If I want to open a duplicate tab, right click duplicate, again I can log in here with the help of root user. So it's like a Google Chrome or Firefox you use, right? So we have multiple terminals. So you use putty or you use Mobextem, both are same. It's just like Mobextem provide you multiple features. So we are going to use Mobextem. But yeah, command wise, if you see here the color combinations are not there much. So again, it's a free software now, so you don't expect too much from this software. So this is the way you can take the remote to, you can take the SSH of your server. You can use putty software, you can use Mobextem. And now since our server is ready, it is a time to do the installation of Oracle database. We are going to proceed with that. But again, till now whatever we discussed, able to understand? If you have done the installation on Windows, then you can use command prompt, CMD you can use. But here when you have installation on Linux, we need to use putty, Mobextem, these are the softwares only. CMD you cannot use.
We have Windows terminal feature, right?
Which one? Terminal? That is for Windows server. So if you go here, there is something called remote desktop.
Like SSH by using Windows terminal, not command prompt.
Which one?
Windows terminal.
This one?
Yes.
1 minute, let me cross check. This is a PowerShell actually. Does SSH working here? You can use that then. Then you can use that. You can. If SSH is there, then you can use it.
Yes. But if you want GUI mode, we need to use Mobex.
You can use that. See, I got अच्छा कुछ password ना. What's my password? I'll do one thing. SSH root @ 192.168. So you can use this one also.
Yeah.
So all are giving same output, just like it's just a matter of how and where are you comfortable. This looks good, much better. It has inbuilt functionalities like you can open the GUI also. In future we are going to do the DBC and all, so those options are available. If you are using putty or this kind of SSH, you need to configure a separate functionalities for that, like VNC and all, xming. Okay.
Actually, in putty and terminals, we can use for connectivity. But coming to the Oracle point of view, by using the Mobex, we can use GUI.
Correct.
It's the best.
That's the reason. Again, like if you want to use GUI and putty, that is also possible, but that for that you need to configure additional softwares. We called it as a VNC is there, xming, all those softwares are there, and it will take a long time to configure them. So better go with this way. Okay, now we have a server. Okay, so this is like I have connected to my Linux server from my Windows actually here. Now what we need to do? What's the next point? Okay, what we need to do? Oh, let's see. Now it is a time to do the installation of Oracle database. So whenever you want to do the installation of Oracle database, there are certain things that you need to take care. First thing is you need to install the prerequisite packages. Prerequisite packages you need. So what is meant by prerequisite package? Like Oracle has recommended some of the packages that need to be installed. In Ubuntu also we have installed the packages, right? Like VI editor related packages we installed, right? So we need to install those packages. Second thing is we need to create users and group related to the Oracle database. Third thing is you need to do some kernel level settings also. So all those operation earlier, it was a manual efforts, but now within a single link you can do all those things. Let me show you. So if you go here, Oracle 19c installation step by steps. Okay, if you go here and if you see this document provided by Oracle base, this is also very famous blog actually for Oracle DBA. So if you go with the manual way, you need to install this package. Yum is the command to install the package. First package, second package, likewise we have so many packages are there. We need to create the groups like o install DBA, Oper. We need to create Oracle user. We need to add this Oracle user to the DBA group. We need to do the kernel level settings, or like everything we were doing it here. So these are the manual setup actually, but nowadays the things are pretty much easy. Oracle is saying that you just do one thing, you just call this pre-installation link. This pre-installation link internally, it will do the kernel level settings. It will do all the packages will be installed. It will create all your users group, and your users will be the part of group automatically. But only for that you need your internet to be available. So if you have internet available on your server, you can do that. So I'll just run this command, press enter. So this is a pre-installation link for Oracle 19c. Same installation link is available for Oracle 12c, Oracle 11g, Oracle 21c, whatever features which are coming in future. There is a single link, and by running this link, it will do your work very easy. So it will install your Oracle user, it will create a groups, it will do the kernel level setting, everything will be done automatically. But in order to run this command, what we need internet. And in order to have an internet, what we have used, which adapter we have used? Bridge adapter we have done, right? We can use NAT also or bridge. In my laptop sometimes NAT is not working, so go with the bridge.
I think it's server level we can use NAT only, I think, right?
We can use that. Actually the server which we have in our office, we are using NAT only there. Here in my laptop sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So now it is, see here, it is getting, actually we have a repository configured. So from that repository, it is just downloading all the packages, creating Oracle users, creating groups related to the Oracle like DBA o install, adding Oracle user to the DBA related groups. Everything will be done automatically. So things are pretty much easy when you are calling the pre-installation. Remember, you need to install the package.
So in production servers also, sometimes we don't have internet facility. Right?
So in that case, you can download the RPM.
Okay.
You can download the RPM, move to your server, and then call that. RPM also you can download.
The RPM is also available in the same.
It is available. You just need to do some research. Somewhere it should be there. So see here, can you see here? Curl -o means this is basically downloading this RPM.
Okay.
Actually, there is a repository provided by Oracle, yum.oracle.com. Here all those RPMs are available. If I just copy, paste, home. See here, right? So this RPM you can install. RPM if you want to install, you can use yum local command, or rpm-ivh command is there that you can use to install the RPM. Okay, now what I will do, the Oracle user got created, but for Oracle user, the password has not set. It will not set the password. So what I will do, I'll set the password for Oracle user by using the password command. Remember one thing guys, when you want to do the practice, that time only start the machine, otherwise stop the machine, because it will consume the resources. So keep checking your task manager if it is slow. If you have 8 GB RAM, especially those people who have 8 GB RAM, so keep checking your memory and all. Okay, it will consume resources. See here. Now what I will do, I'll set the password of Oracle user, password Oracle PAWSWD. The Oracle password, I'll keep it simple as Oracle only. Now Oracle password is set. I'll call duplicate tab, login with Oracle. Every time it is not asking me password, because the good thing about the Mobex term is once you enter the password, it will save the password. So when you are doing the installation of Mobex term, it will ask you to enter the master password, enter the password, and then your all the password will be saved. Now the next part, what I will do, we have already written a blog which will help you to do the installation of Oracle 19c. So if you go here, I have already written a blog here. Scroll it down. Now the next part, I'll create a bash profile. Okay, now what is this bash profile? I'll discuss about that. Just do one thing, copy this. Okay, copy this, go to the Oracle home directory, here va.bash_profile, and enter your details here. Your details, like what I'm entering here. If you see here, I have mentioned like what is my Oracle home, what is my Oracle SID, what is my Oracle base. So what is this Oracle home? Oracle home is a location where your Oracle software is getting installed. Oracle home is a location where your software is getting installed, and Oracle SID is basically your instance name. Now what is instance, we are going to discuss in Oracle architecture also, but at this point just keep it in your mind that Oracle SID is basically your database name, and Oracle home is basically a location where my Oracle software is going to be installed. But this directory I have not created till now. I'll save it. Whenever you are making changes to the bash profile, you are going to source it. Whenever even small change, you need to source it. Then I will do one thing, I'll create a directory by using root user mkdir-p. I created this directory. Any directory which is where my Oracle software is there, it should be owned by Oracle user o install group /data. I have changed the ownership of /data to Oracle user o install group chmod -r775. I am giving read write permissions on that directory. Now if I go here, if I say cd $oracle_home. So when I say $oracle_home, I'm definitely going to the Oracle home. So this Oracle home is coming, this variable is coming from bash profile, because in the bash profile I have already mentioned that what is my Oracle home. So when I say $oracle home, it means I'm definitely going into this location. cd $oracle home means this value. Now I can here in this location my Oracle softwares I'm going to install. How to install it? Very soon, very simple. I'll say how to do that. I'll make it very simple. Download Oracle 19c. Okay, just search like this. For Linux, there is a separate setup for Linux operating system. There is a separate setup for Windows operating system. I'll click here and you can see something like here dbhome.zip. Click here, accept the license agreement and then download it. So this is for DB home. As soon as I click here, it may ask you to enter your credentials. So you can create your credentials also. Click create account. If you don't have a credentials of Oracle, you can go here, enter your basic details. I think you have already done that, and then you can enter the same details over here. Enter your user ID, your password, and it will start downloading over here. You can see it's getting downloaded here. In my case, it's already downloaded. Again, I'm not going to download that. It's already downloaded in my case. So what I will do, I'll double click on it. Now remember, your setup, your software means the Oracle software is actually downloaded on Windows operating system, but I want to move it to the Linux operating system. So in Mobex term, there is an inbuilt functionality is there. We called it as SFTP. Click on SFTP, enter the path where you want to upload the software, press enter. There is an option called upload. If you click on the upload, it will go to the Windows path. Where is your software? I have downloaded the software in my E drive. So it is there. Double click on it. And now your software is getting uploaded to the Linux operating system. Let me repeat it one more time. Actually, when I'm going to the oracle.com, I'm downloading the software in my download folder. So obviously all the softwares will go to the download, which is on Windows. But where I need this software, I need this software on Linux. So whenever you want to move any file from Windows to Linux or Linux to Windows, for that we need to use something called SFTP. In Mobex term, SFTP is already configured. Click on it, upload, and then the software is getting uploaded. In the softwares like Putty, SFTP is not there inbuilt. So for that you can use additional software called WinSCP. So this is how there is another softwares are also available called WinSCP. This WinSCP will help you to move your softwares from Windows to Linux, Linux to Windows. So this software also you can use. But Mobex itself has all the inbuilt functionality, so no need to use. This protocol we called it as a SFTP. This protocol we called it as a SFTP. So when I say SSH means you are taking the remote, and whenever you are moving a file from Windows to Linux, Linux to Windows, that is called SFTP. So SFTP provided multiple softwares are there, like we have WinSCP, even Mobex has some software called FTP. Many softwares are there. You can use anything whenever you want to move the files from Windows to Linux. Now here in my Oracle home, the software is coming. This is a zip software. So I'll unzip that and we will start doing the installation of Oracle database software. Understanding everyone? Understanding guys?
Yeah. Is it possible to download directly?
You can use that. See, if you go to the Oracle support, they will give you one link. You can just use curl command, curl. So if you use that command along with that link, it will be downloaded directly on Linux also. Oracle support we do not have access. When you are the part of any DBA team, you will get the Oracle support access. So you can use directly curl command, and there you can do. Similar like this, if you go here also they use right curl -o and the package that you want to install, from where you want to install this link. So similar like that, you can do that. Now what I will do, now I'll do one thing. We need to make one entry into the host files. /etc/host, go into this file, and we need to enter the IP address of our machine 192.168.56.50 56.50. What's my machine name? node1.learnomate.org. Save it. Okay. Now the next part. What's the next part? Again, the installation will be taken care by Oracle users only. Unzip the software because this is a zip file. So I'll start unzipping that software by using the unzip command. So after unzipping, you need to call something called run installer. When you call run installer, it will help you to do the installation of software plus database also. If you want only software, that is also possible. Remember one thing, that when you have a software available, let's say I have 19C softwares are available already installed. So when you have 19C software available, by using this 19C software, you can create multiple databases, DB1, DB2, DB3. but all this database will be of version 19c only. In future, let's say someone is saying that I want to install 12c database I want, but 12c. So in that case, you need to install which software? 12c software. Okay, you need to install 12c software. Now, if you want to install database, only database, you have an option called DBCA. But without software, you cannot install database. You need a software first. You need a software and then you can install a database. So I'll go here. Now unzipping is still progressing. Quite big file. So run installer has the ability to install database software and database. But sometimes like we are in a situation where I want to install only software, that is also possible. Can I install database without software? No, you cannot do that. First we need a software and then database. Your database installation will be done by using the Oracle user only. Oracle has the ability to install the software. Even root user cannot do the installation of Oracle softwares and database.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Now we are doing with the M install, right? Like it's like the package is taking care of like installation and everything. It is creating groups and everything. In real time environment, like we'll do the same way or
Depends. Most of the time it is same only. Okay. Most of the time it is same only. But if you want to do that manually, you have those options also. Like here.
I've seen. Yeah.
Like you need to go into this file, you need to make this entry here. Actually the people were making some they were facing some challenges, like sometimes you are making some mistake, so that manual efforts they have removed it. Okay, that is the reason. And these numbers what you see here, it's provided by Oracle only. Okay, so version to versions these numbers are getting changed. That is the reason they have created a single link, and that will make your life easy. Okay, now this pre-installation you can do it on every server, there is no problem in that. Okay, but yes, if you want to do it manually, you can do that. Earlier we were doing it manually only, so recently we started working on this.
And one more thing, actually, what are the challenges we face in while installing these things?
Most of the time the people are making mistakes. See, challenges will come when you are making the mistakes. Okay, so initially if you are doing it for the first time, the main challenge you will get it because of permissions only. I have given the 775 permissions, my owner is Oracle user, so all those things you need to take care. You need to make the entry into the host file also. So if you follow steps one by one, slowly, again we are providing the documents also, then it is easy only. Now I'm going to call run installer. Again see here, my current user is Oracle. I'm calling run installer. When I'm calling a run installer, it is opening the pop-up. By using that pop-up, we can do the installation. There are two methods are there to do the installation of Oracle database. You can go with silent method also. In silent method, you will not get the GUI. You will not get this GUI like this. It will be on terminal only. So that part also we will see. Right now I'm going with GUI. In future classes I'll show you silent method also. Click on set up a software only. If I click on set up a software only, this will not install database. It will only install software. If I go with the first option, it will install software first and then database. I'll go with the software only, and database we will install separately. When you are considering the Oracle database, there are two type of database are there: single instance database and RAC database, RAC. Right now in this class we are talking about the single instance. RAC is a high availability concept. So RAC also we are going to learn, but that's not included with this course. We have a separate course for Oracle RAC. I'll be the instructor for that. So especially when we are talking about the high availability means, let's say I have two internets are there, and if my one internet goes down, still I can connect by using the second internet. That's a high availability. But if I have single instance, and if that instance goes down, the application will be down, right? So that's the main challenge with the single instance. So we'll discuss about the RAC also. Okay, right now we are focusing on single instance. Click on next. Do you want to install the enterprise edition or standard edition? When you are going with the enterprise edition, you will get multiple features, like you can configure data guard, you will get the performance related multiple options, you will get it. But when you go with the standard edition, all those features will not be available. So Oracle side, both are Oracle databases. It's just a matter of features. Miss, if you compare with iPhone with any Xiaomi or MI mobile, both are phone. It's just like in iPhone you will get good performance security wise, right? uh, and if you go with the lower version, it's just like, both are doing the same thing, both are for to receive the call. It's just a matter of cost. When you go with the enterprise edition license, it is costly because it provides a lot of features related to the performance, security, scalabilities, many things. When you go with the enterprise edition, you will miss a lot of important features. Most of the time people will go with the enterprise edition. Remember, it's costly. Costly means you don't need to pay anything from your license pocket. This is a location where my Oracle base will be installed. So Oracle base is a location where your Oracle related files will be installed, like your data files, control files will be available here. Oracle software location is a location, we called it as a Oracle home, where your Oracle software is going to be installed. Now in this location my software is going to be installed. When I'm doing the database installation, it will create your important files like your control files, data files, your online video log files. All those files will be available in the Oracle base location. Both the location I have specified in the Oracle bash profile. If you remember, in the bash profile I specified that. Click on next. This is a inventory location. In the inventory location, inventory file will be there. What are all databases, what are all softwares you are going to install on this server, that software related information will be available in the inventory file. If you are installing any patching activity in future, that will be also getting recorded over here. Okay, so inventory, like normally we don't touch most of the time, but in this location your inventory file will be there. There is a question, high ability like RAG, there is only in Oracle or it will be available in PostgreSQL also. High ability concepts are available in Oracle also. High ability concepts are available in PostgreSQL also. Both the database have high availability concept. It's just a matter of terminologies. Here we called it as a data guard. There we called it as a streaming replications, and replications we called it as a. But yeah, in Oracle we get instance level high availability. On PostgreSQL we don't have that. Click on next. These are the groups which are created automatically at the time of pre-installation. So these are the default group. Click on next. Whenever you are doing the software installation, it will run one script, we called it as a root.sh script. You can run those script automatically also by just checking and providing the root password. This feature is available in Oracle 19c only. It's not available in Oracle 12c. You just provide the root credential. You normally in real-time production environment, when you want to run the root.sh script, you need to go to the Linux team and they will install it on behalf of you. But here, since we have a root access, we can also do that. Remember, in real-time production environment, very rarely you will have access to the root user. But if you have, then no problem. I'll enter the password of root user. This root.sh script will provide read-write permissions on your inventory files, the inventory file which we have just specified, right? So that for that file it will create a read-write permissions, or proper permissions will be given. And now your Oracle installer is checking whether you have taken all the prerequisite properly or not. If you have taken the prerequisite, means your package installation, your user creation, group creation, kernel level settings, whether you have provided sufficient memory to your server, database, everything it is checking over here. Looks good. I don't see any warning. Click on install, and now your software installation is in progress. When your software installation is in progress, it's good to monitor this log file also. You can just say tail -100f. The real-time log you can see here by using the tail command. I told you, right? Real-time logs. So whatever things which are getting updated into that log file, you can see real time over here. So keep checking this log file also. And this is a response file. that has been created. I'll show you that one also. So if you go here, whatever things you are going to see, just remember this response file. This is a response file, means whatever responses you have given, you have specified that what is your, I want to install database software only, my inventory location is this one, this is my Oracle base, whatever options you selected. I'm going to install enterprise edition, these are my groups, DBA, Oper and all. For that, a response file got created. By using this response file, you can do the silent installation also of your software. So this response file also you can use to do the silent installation. In silent installation, you have already given the response like, okay, I want to do like this. So that part we will see later, don't worry about that. And now your software installation is getting progress. Did we install the database till now? Did we install database? No, we have not installed the database. If you want to do the installation of database, means I got the software now. I got the software, means I got this software now. And if I want this database, for that I need to call separate utility called DBCA. Again, DBCA will open a GUI. You can also call DBCA with the silent method also, means without a GUI, that is also possible. Okay, so any question?
And actually, you're giving the permissions, right? Oracle and non-install. So these permissions are recommended by the Oracle. Right?
Oracle only.
Okay. And apart from that, do you cover the, migration part? That means 9, for example, 19C to 21C or 12G to 19C.
Upgradation we are going to see 12C to 19C.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so let it run like this. Tomorrow we will connect, and tomorrow we are going to talk about the database installation. Okay, and once your database installation is in progress, we will try to see some basic architecture of your Oracle also, and then we will see the in-depth architecture of Oracle also. So architecture will take a long time. Okay, so be ready for that. Any questions so far till now? Understanding na guys? Are you feeling good with this Oracle?
Covering for migration from on-premise to cloud
No.
environment. No.
No.
So migration you are not touching.
No. For that we have a separate course for Oracle to PostgreSQL. We are covering in PostgreSQL database.
If we take, for example, if we take the OCI, at the time you cover that migration.
In OCI, I believe so it is there. I need to check with trainer because I'm not the trainer for that. I need to check with once.
That means on-premises to cloud.
I think it is there, but let me confirm it once. I think it is there. In OCI we have that.
It is required because you know that we are moving on-premise to cloud.
I think it is there. If you guys are interested, you guys can look for OCI. Okay. If you are looking for this migration, let me check with trainer once. You WhatsApp me. I'll check with trainer once. Maybe it is there. I think so. Last time we were discussing, but it's been a long time. I need to check it once.
Can we cover this Oracle database course and OCI simultaneously?
You can do that. No problem in that.
Okay.
There is no dependency with OCI. It just like, especially if someone is coming very freshers now, we don't recommend that. But if someone is having some basic understanding of databases or Linux and SQL, we can definitely recommend that.
Yeah, actually I'm doing the MySQL administration.
Then no problem. You can go. Many people in this class also, they are doing OCI with us simultaneously.
Yeah. So do you have? I think you are not downloading that software actually, Linux Oracle, because of this profile is not available for us actually. It's going to take for 24 hours. Right? Already you have downloaded, right? You can place for that your folder. We can download it from our home.
Which folder you are talking about?
So
No. It's not taking 24 hours. Your Oracle 96 software you're saying?
No. That is Oracle Linux software.
No. That Oracle Linux ISO file you are saying? ISO?
Yeah, ISO file. yeah.
That just a small software. Hardly it will take 10-15 minutes.
No, no,
4.7
it's
GB.
okay, fine, but it won't allow to that because this need to for new users going to validate it. Maybe the page is not coming out. The
Actually, while
processing of it
creating
is
the
not
app,
continuing.
No, you do one thing. Let me share. I'll give you a direct link. You can download from there also.
Okay.
So if you get the pop-up like this, say root yes, because it will run that root.sh. Do one thing. Go here. Software is also installed actually. Go to the Google and just say Oracle Linux 7.9 ISO download. Go to the this repository directory and this one. Click this. Okay.
Okay.
So you can directly download them. Let me share the link also.
Okay.
I'll send it to the WhatsApp group also.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No problem. We will get it. Just we have create the user. That's what I
No, I have told like because I know that we need Oracle website. So um, that is the reason I told everyone to go with that way. I know that this is a shortcut way is there, but if we follow, the people will at least do the user on Oracle website. Otherwise, they will not do that.
Okay.
yeah, actually it is taking 24 or 48 hours to create the account. So direct, so
Correct.
that's why.
Now I have
Correct.
sent in the WhatsApp group. You guys can
Yeah,
download from there.
yeah.
And also going for that Oracle and binary part also it's required, right? For 24 hours or
Which one?
do you have any subject for Oracle
I'll do
binary?
one thing. If earlier it was not taking time, but I'm not sure whether it is taking time nowadays. Let's do one thing. I'll share you that directly on Google Drive. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So you guys can directly download from there.
Correct, yeah.
Alright. So software installation is also done, but let's do the database installation in tomorrow's lecture. That is a quite lengthy process. So we'll do that. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.